Yeah, I want to show you direction from Dam Square because Dam Square is kind of central square, kind of central, maybe not exactly center, but it it is accepted as a center location. This direction goes to central train station. So the name of this street is Dam Rock. Dam Rock is direction to north. So this is the north direction, and it goes to central train station. Amsterdam Central train station. I think from here, kind of, you can see Central train station, the building of Central train station, but it's a little far. Maybe you see it very small. So this is north direction. If you from north direction, if you come here to south, so now I'm walking to west. Oh, south. So like I just turned left and I'm going to west direction. This church, this big church, it is called New Church. So I show you old church in red light district, but this one is called New Church. And here, the name of this street is Nieuwendijk. Nieuwendijk is also very well known street for shopping. It's really good street for shopping. So we will continue turn left again and continue to west direction. So this is west direction. I'm going to west. Yes, you can see beautiful big building here. Its name is MAGNA PLAZA. MAGNA PLAZA was central post station of Amsterdam, like I don't know, 50 years ago or something like this. But now it's a shopping center. It's a big shopping center at the moment. I have also a video from inside. You can check it out if you want to see inside. So to west you can see MAGNA PLAZA. I will come back to Dam Square and I'm going to walk south direction, to show you like south view of Dam Square. Even here you can see tram. If you're planning to visit Amsterdam, here there are a lot of tram in different directions. You can just check them. And yes, now I'm walking to south direction of Dam Square. This street is Kalverstraat or Kalver Street in English, if you wish. It's also very well known shopping street. Yeah, there are a lot of like famous brands. They have shops in this street, so it's really a good one to the street. From this direction, this tram here, it's also west direction. From here you can go to west, and it's like 9 straatjes or 9 small streets. This is the direction for like 9 small streets or 9 straatjes to this direction from west. And this one is Kalverstraat. Street, Kalverstraat. And now I'm walking to the east. So here we are. This is south view of Dam Square. So from this direction you will go to south, and this street is Rokin. Its name is Rokin. You can take this street to go to Muntplein or Mint Square from this direction. So you will go to Rokin Street and you will go to south. And this street to the east, this is street to the east, and this is Dam Street. So Dam Street is this one to the east. That was it. I wanted to show you Dam Square direction in this video. I hope you enjoy it, and hope you enjoy the views. I will just turn around to show you all views from Dam Square. Yes, that was it for today. Love you very much. I hope you enjoyed the video, and see you in next video. Bye.